You can design and create and build the most wonderful place in the world, but it takes people to make the dream a reality. Walt Disney. Hi, my name is Miriam Jepson, and I'm going to walk you through my portfolio that I made for my Communications 130 class, Visual Media. Here we have my cover. As you can see, it's very simple, and that background is what I have consistent throughout my portfolio, as you will see. So here we go. Here we have the table of contacts and the contacts page. It's just super simple, and there's not a lot to it, just so you see what's important, and there's not a lot of mess to throw you off. This is my photo design project. This is by far my favorite project that I made, probably because we were able to take photographs as part of the project, which I really enjoyed, and that picture is of a plant that I got from one of my best friends growing up. So it has a little more meaning than just the project for the class. Also, you can see that the layout that I'm going to have throughout my portfolio is on this white background. It's kind of random. I just found it and I really liked it, and it went the white theme was really easy for me to use to go along with my projects, and then I just added like the colors behind the text to go along with each of my projects. Here's my brochure. This is my second favorite project. I really liked it because we were able to pick our own topic, and we had a lot of freedom with this project, so we could include a lot of our own pictures and text, and it could be about a topic that we were really interested in. And this band, Alt J, is a band that I'm currently obsessed with, so it was really fun researching more about them and creating a project based off of that. So here's my montage. Throughout doing the portfolio, I learned a lot more tools in InDesign. The main thing I learned was how to use the pages in InDesign and how to format like a lot of pages in one project. So that was really cool, learning that for like future books or magazines or things that I do. The biggest challenge that I had, really this is kind of silly, but it was picking the background. It was hard for me to pick a background that would go well with all of my projects. And a lot of my projects are kind of geometric, just because that's my style, so I tried to pick a background that was geometric to go along with my projects. Also, the only other like main challenge that I had was linking everything together. Throughout the semester, we've used folders to keep track of everything, and so just linking this many projects and text boxes and all sorts of stuff, linking it all together to create this 20-page portfolio was a little bit difficult. So in the future, I will definitely be using visual media, I guess, as a whole. I hope to use Adobe in my future career, if that's kind of applicable to what I decide to do. But also just the design principles that we've learned of typography and color schemes and everything that we've learned. I'll definitely use it just in my like hobby of art. I plan on doing art just as a hobby throughout the rest of my life, so I'll definitely use the principles and things that I've learned. So in conclusion, I really enjoyed making this portfolio. I learned a lot throughout this semester, and just doing this portfolio helped me kind of compile everything that I've learned into one project, which was really cool. And going back to Walt Disney's quote, we as the people, Adobe does a lot for you, and there's a lot of cool tools that you can use, but it takes the person to actually put it all together and to come up with the ideas and to create the project as a whole. So